Hi guys, in today's video I will be sharing 3 products in which you should not waste your money. Now the brands I'll be talking about are really known and reputed. However, I feel that they are really not worth your penny. So keep watching if you want to know why. First product is from Plum. This is the Plum Green Tea Revitalizing Face Mist, and this is basically a 100 ml face mist. When it comes to Plum, you really expect a lot from the brand because it is so good with their skincare. But however, this particular product out here is not the best. It says face mist, so you're just supposed to spray it on your face, but as soon as you do so, your face starts burning. At least it happened with me. So whenever I have used this product, I have always felt some tingling sensations and burning sensations all over my face, and I don't think that is a really good thing when it comes to mists. Now if this would have been a toner, I would have understood, because for some toners you do get the burning or the tingling sensation, but that should not be the case when you are applying a mist. Generally when we are spraying a mist, it goes all over our face, but this one, if by mistake it gets somewhere near your eyes, then you are just going to shed a lot of tears. So you will be getting burning sensations, tingling sensations and tears if this one is applied on your face. So that's why I feel this one does not really require your money. Next I have a lip balm. Now this is the Face Shop Lip Care Lip Balm, and Face Shop is an amazing brand when it comes to skincare, and that's why I went ahead and got their lip balm. But oh my god, this is such a bummer. Firstly, if you are someone who likes tinted lip balms, this is not for you because this is completely transparent. I like lip balms to be of no color, that's why I went ahead and bought this. But there are 2 problems with this. First of all, a squeeze tube like this is not really the best when it comes to application on a lip balm. I would anytime prefer a chapstick over a tube like this. And the second thing is, it does not really moisturize the lips that well. So after you apply this, it will just stay on your lips for half an hour, and after that it completely vanishes. There is no moisturization and there is no nourishment on the lips. And I also tried using this in the night. I applied this, went off to sleep, and I thought that maybe it will work overnight, but it simply just disappears after 30 minutes, and I cannot keep reapplying a lip balm after every 30 minutes. I would prefer a lip balm which lasts on my lips for about 4 to 5 hours. On top of that, this is really expensive when you compare with other lip balms available in the market. Those ones are pretty affordable, does a really good job, but this one out here is not really the best, so I would highly recommend stay away from this. Today's final item is a kajal. This one belongs to Chambord. This is the Chambord Smoky Eye Kajal, and this is in the shade blue. So there is only one thing that is good about this product, and that is the color. So the color is a beautiful midnight blue kind of color. Secondly, they have given a smudger over here which you are used to smudge, but this one is so hard that if you apply it in your eyes will start burning. Generally the smudger that comes along a pencil like this is supposed to be very soft, so that when you are applying it in a gentle area such as the eye, it glides smoothly and makes your job easier. But with this one, you really have to tug along and your eyes will start burning, and this is really hard. First of all, this one smudges really badly, and instead of giving you a good smoky eye effect, it will just bleed everywhere and make you have panda eyes. Secondly, the smudger out here is really of not good quality and definitely cannot be used on a gentle and soft area such as the eye. And thirdly, this is very expensive. This is like 700-800, totally overpriced. There are so many other pencils out there in the market which come in the budget of 500 and below and perform much better than this one. So this one definitely does not need your penny. Those were my 3 items which needs to be skipped and does not require your money. I hope you found this video helpful. For more such honest reviews, keep following me. Bye.